The rumors that are coming from South Korea is alarming as the price of all three models of Galaxy S23 lineup is much more than the Galaxy S22 series. And also the new selfie shooter has something special to offer. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per a recent report from South Korea, Galaxy S23 series will see a price jump. Now on Twitter, we saw this new post showing the price in Korean won, and the source is from SK Telecom, where if we convert these numbers in dollars, Galaxy S23 will cost you $933, S23 Plus will cost you $1,096, and Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to cost you $1,253. Now on the smaller models, we see a big price jump, and on S23 Ultra, we get almost $50 price jump. As per the numbers, the prices are increased by almost 10% from their predecessors. Now if we go even prices, the new prices for S23 series will be $899 for S23 base model, $1,099 for S23 Plus, and $1,299 for the S23 Ultra. A $100 increase in price of all three models of the Galaxy S23 lineup. This was expected, but later some news said we are getting same prices just like the last year, and now it is clear we are getting the price increase on all three models. At least if we didn't see $100 increase, we surely see a $50 increase on all three models of Galaxy S23 lineup. Let me know in the comments, are you guys okay with the price of Galaxy S23 Ultra? Now there could be a reason for increasing the price of Galaxy S23 Ultra, where Samsung is going to remove the base model 128GB version on the S23 lineup. Meaning, now you guys will going to get a 256GB version as a base model, so we might see a $50 price increase. You guys might know that Samsung is going to downgrade the selfie shooter on S23 Ultra, and here's how they will manage to fix this. As per report, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with 12MP selfie shooter instead of 40MP on S22 Ultra. But as per Ahmed, yes, we are getting less numbers on the S23 Ultra, but the quality of the front camera will be increased. This is where Samsung showed its magic and improved the image processing to improve the quality of front camera on the S23 Ultra. But we are getting some big numbers on back camera, a 200MP main shooter, which is Samsung's own new HP2 sensor. And this new 200MP camera will going to come with some additional features like 8K video at 30fps and new portrait video mode. Samsung planned to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra on the 1st of Feb, and phones will hit the market after a week or so with some great PR deals. If you guys want to see the real official look of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.